Go Bulldogs! What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the PG 2.5 Fresno State. Now, this colorway pays homage to Paul George's alma mater, Fresno State, where he played college basketball, and it's almost like a PE pair because it has the Fresno State Bulldog on the shoe. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard PG2 box, so it's the yellow and black crater box with the Nike logo on the back and the Paul George constellation on the front. And the colorway is gym red, dark obsidian, and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly mesh upper with leather detailing and synthetic panels. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the gym red mesh toe with synthetic overlays on both sides of the toe box. And you also have the leather midfoot strap with the little red Nike swoosh. For the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue with the Fresno State Bulldog on the right shoe, and on the left shoe, you've got the PG logo. The left insole says PG on it, and the right insole uses the number 13. On the inside of the tongue, you've got Paul George's signature. For the lateral, you've got more of the midfoot strap, as well as the mesh upper, with a gym red overlay panel by the heel. Moving towards the heel, you've got the red back tab with the black stripes going down. The medial is similar to the lateral, so you've got the red mesh upper with the midfoot strap, and you've got the overlay panel, but instead you also have the black Nike swoosh. The midsole is white with this kind of sparkle black Nike swoosh, and you've got the clear translucent outsole with the Zoom Air indicated by this red and black graphic and the PG logo on the heel. This is actually a really clean colorway. I'm actually a fan of it, and I like that PG decided to pay homage to Fresno State, his alma mater, with this nice clean colorway, and the Bulldog is also a really nice touch. I'm really loving the PG 2.5, and this shoe may have also jumped over the PG 2 for me as one of my favorite basketball shoes of the year. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The PG 2.5 Fresno State hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on September 1st for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.